Greetings, Earthlings! Welcome back to my channel, the only Lauren channel. I am Lorena. Anyway, today I am going to be starting a new series on what I like to call MAF Tuesdays. And this new series is called Off-Brand Studying for Suckahz. And I can actually separate one from the other if I need to. So I could do off-brand studying for suckahz as a general topic, or I can do MAF Tuesday, do it as part of MAF Tuesdays. But I'm going to be giving you guys as much mathematical terms as you need until I get tired of telling you about it, or get sick of talking about it in general. So, and this is basically talking about why learning your mathematical definitions are so extremely important, and at least learning them outside of class definitely helps, because it definitely won't be fun or working off starting out a problem and not knowing exactly what they want from you or what they're talking about just because of simple terms. I know I had that trouble, like used to have it when I was younger. If I read the problem, a math problem, I may not understand what you're talking about, but if you put the math in front of me, I could solve the problem. Like I could actually solve it really well. But as far as reading it and under what are you asking for? I don't know. So you just gotta train brain, gotta reorient the mind, as Dr. Harvey would say. So and just one more thing to add, personally it's always been my dream to go through the entire physics and math book and write down every definition and learn pretty much everything in that book. Like, amazing. That's my dreams. I kind of did it with my thermo book, which is a small book, so, and only did a few chapters. I think we only had to do up to chapter like 5 or something anyway, so it's Theo's book. Anyway, so I'm gonna put you Earthlings on how I do it myself, or how to do it. So I'll be sharing with you a few basic definitions for your information, that will help you get started in learning about the category, which is math. So we're going to get started with the most basics of definition, which is the word mathematics. Bear with me now. You and I both know mathematics is basically manipulating numbers, but mathematics is from the Greek knowledge, learning and studying. It includes topics such as quantity, number theory, structure, algebra, which I think I'm pretty good at algebra. I can do some algebra. I'll take a calculus problem and turn it into algebra. I mean, it's basically algebra in a sense. I'll really turn it into algebra. Space, geometry, and change. dx or dy, also known as mathematical analysis. And formally, the word mathematics has no actual definition. So what happens in mathematics? Mathematicians seek and use patterns to formulate new conjectures. They resolve the truth or falsify the claim through mathematical proof. Basically, they're really cool detective and psychologist. The etymology of the word math comes from the Pi root mend, meaning to learn. For your FYI, numbers are Arabic, Indian, and Hindu. Wait, no. Numbers are Arabic and Indian, but when you go to Google this, they're cutting that out almost immediately, especially in the Wikipedia page, because racism. But geometry is Greek, as in Europeans didn't have numbers, as in they didn't know math, and they really didn't have any inclination for math till Asians and Africans showed them how. Like the word algebra comes from the Arabic aljabar, which means the union of broken parts and bone setting. So I'm saying if you Capricorn anything, you should be good at algebra, okay? So remember, if anything has been put apart, it has to be put back together, especially if they are designed for that purpose. I am not being metaphysical, I am being quite literal. Quite literal. And so from my notes, I have the original off-brand studying for suckahz, and those are the words we'll look at for today. So since we are running out of time, this is what I'll do for you guys. I will give you the words and you can look them up yourself, because you're grown, and if you're not grown, then you need to learn how to do this. You need to know how to look up information. So I'm going to give you the words and you can go look them up. If you guys need me to come back and do these words for you to help you understand it, I hope you don't. If you do, I'll come back. I will come back. I'll make this a part 2 or something, or a bullet point. So the words that you need, or the words from my off-brand studying, just to get you started with, are the words numbers, whole numbers, sum, addends, communicative, associative, subtrahend, multiplicative, identity, and product. And I think I forgot division in division form, dividends. Now, go look those words up, and I want you, what did they used to tell us in church to get a deeper sense of the meaning of these things? Go look the words up. Look the words up, and I want you to feel it in your soul. I want you to get that math, okay? So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys. Like and subscribe and share my videos. Share them. Don't be stingy. Share the love. And buy my book Quintessence on Amazon. Bye, Earthlings. Hope you enjoyed the maths.